Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix not detecting headphones after plugged in. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone, turn on microphone access, also turn on Let apps access your microphone. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under playing audio. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, click Yes to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.